Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready, I think.
Tell me if it's working.
Yep, it looks like it is.
Oops.
I don't know, there's something doesn't look in focus. If I get a little further back. There we go. This lens is not made for this close-up work. So how did you make this?
With borax, water, shaving cream, PBA glue, food coloring, Ovaltine, coffee,
Mm-hmm.
foaming soap, regular soap, and shampoo.
Okay. There's a lot of ingredients. How'd you learn how to do that?
Online.
Ah, the internet, huh? And what did you call it again?
Coffee Oreo.
Coffee Oreo? I thought it was
It's like mocha.
Slimacino.
Yeah, Slimacino, cappuccino, latte, and coffee Oreo.
Okay. So one last thing you want to do with it before we finish the video? You want to spin it or what do you? Yeah, there you go. Make it a little French braid out of it or something. Cool. Taffy.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then one last thing.
And the giant poop.
I see it.
Yep. You have to say sign off first.
Don't forget to subscribe.
There you go.